Welcome to Skibia Quiz. How good is your general knowledge? Take this 40-question quiz to find out. Let's go. What is the smallest unit of life? Atom, cell, molecule? Cell. Which planet is known as the evening star? Venus, Mars, Jupiter? Venus. What is the largest mammal in the ocean? Shark, dolphin, whale? Whale. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Jane Austen, Emily Bronte, Charlotte Bronte. Jane Austen. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan, China, Thailand? Japan. What is the capital of Germany? Munich, Frankfurt, Berlin. Berlin. What is the hardest natural substance? Iron, quartz, diamond. Diamond. What year did the Berlin Wall fall? 1989, 1991, 1987. 1989. Who was the first president of the United States? Thomas Jefferson, John Adams, George Washington. George Washington. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? Kp-Po. K. What is the main ingredient in traditional hummus? Lentils, chickpeas, beans? Chickpeas. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Zebra, tiger, panda. Zebra. What is the capital of Canada? Toronto, Vancouver, Ottawa? Ottawa. Who painted The Last Supper? Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Raphael? Leonardo da Vinci. Which planet is known as the giant red spot? Mars, Saturn, Jupiter. Jupiter. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara, Arctic, Gobi? Arctic. Who wrote the Harry Potter series? J.K. Rowling, J.R.R. Tolkien, Suzanne Collins. J.K. Rowling. What is the smallest country in the world by area? Monaco, San Marino, Vatican City. Vatican City. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra? Canberra. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland, New Guinea, Madagascar? Greenland. What year did the Titanic sink? 1905, 1912, 1923. 1912. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla. Alexander Graham Bell. What is the chemical formula for table salt? NaCl, KCl, Na2SO4. Nasal. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Ada Lovelace, Rosalind Franklin, Marie Curie. Marie Curie. What is the largest city in the USA by area? Los Angeles, New York City, Houston. Houston. Who is known as the father of psychoanalysis? Sigmund Freud, Carl Jung, Alfred Adler. Sigmund Freud. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mars, Mercury, Pluto. Mercury. Who was the famous queen of ancient Egypt? Cleopatra, Nefertiti, Hatshepsut. Cleopatra. What is the capital of Brazil? São Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Brasília. Brasília. What is the largest species of shark? Great white shark, whale shark, hammerhead shark. Whale shark. What is the symbol for the element gold? Fe, Ag, Au. Au. Who discovered penicillin? Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, Robert Koch. Alexander Fleming. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Euro, dollar, pound sterling. Pound sterling. What is the chemical formula for methane? CH4, C2H6, CH3OH. CH4. Which ocean is the largest? Atlantic, Indian, Pacific? Pacific. What is the most spoken language in the world? English, Spanish, Mandarin? Mandarin? Which ancient civilization built the pyramids? Romans, Egyptians, Greeks? Egyptians. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Fe. Ear eye. Fe. Who was the famous scientist known for his laws of motion? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei. Isaac Newton. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.